How to add close friends on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add close friends on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now just click on your profile here in the bottom corner and then click the storylines and then just click close friends and then get started, and here we'll find it. Just add anyone here, and that's it. And that's how to add close friends on Instagram Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.